7 deadly sins of mathematics. 1. Ignorance of definitions. Sloth. Just as sloth is a lack of effort, ignoring or misunderstanding fundamental definitions is a passive but deadly sin in mathematics. Without a solid grasp of the basic building blocks, everything that follows becomes shaky and prone to error. It's the unwillingness to do the foundational work. 2. Hasty generalization. Pride. Pride can manifest as the arrogance of assuming a pattern holds true after only seeing a few examples. Jumping to broad conclusions without rigorous proof or sufficient evidence is a dangerous trap. Just because something works for the first few cases doesn't mean it works for all. Computational errors, wrath, frustration, and anger can often accompany careless mistakes in calculations. Not a moral failing. Consistent and unchecked computational errors can derail entire solutions and lead to incorrect conclusions. The outburst of inaccuracy that destroys the flow and the result. 4. Logical fallacies. Envy. Envy, in this context, could represent the temptation to use flawed or invalid reasoning because it seems easier or leads to a desired outcome. This might involve misapplying theorems, ignoring necessary conditions, or making unsupported leaps in logic, perhaps coveting a simpler path to the answer. 5. Over-reliance on intuition. Gluttony. Just as gluttony is overindulgence, over-relying on gut feelings or intuition without rigorous justification can be a mathematical sin. While intuition can be a valuable starting point, it must always be backed up by logical reasoning and proof. Engaging in assumptions without verification leads to unsound mathematics. 6. Neglecting edge cases. Lust. Similar to lust's focus on a specific desire to the exclusion of all else, neglecting to consider edge cases or special conditions can lead to incomplete or incorrect solutions. These overlooked scenarios can often reveal flaws in a general argument. It's the narrow focus that misses crucial exceptions. 7. Lack of rigor in proofs. Greed. Greed can be seen as the desire for a result without putting in the necessary rigorous work. This manifests as sloppy proofs with missing steps, unjustified claims, or a lack of attention to detail. A greedy approach seeks the prize of a proven theorem without paying the full price of logical thoroughness. Here are